Oshomole withdraws application against suspension. Adams Oshomole, a former chairman of the All Progressive Congress (APC), on Tuesday withdrew his application for stay of execution of the June 16, 2020 judgment of the Abuja Division of the Court of Appeal, which affirmed his suspension as the national chairman of the APC. The withdrawal, his lawyer said, was in line with his concession to the dissolution of the National Working Committee of the party and the subsequent appointment of a caretaker committee by the National Executive Committee of the party on June 25th. Following the withdrawal of the motion, the three-man panel of the Court of Appeal led by Justice Eunice Onyenemenam unanimously dismissed it in a short ruling on Tuesday. Recall that Oshomole Ward 10 in Etako West local government area of Edo State had, in November 2019, suspended him as member of the party for anti-party activities, a decision which the High Court of the Federal Capital Territory in Abuja relied on to order his suspension as the national chairman of the party on March 4, 2020. He had proceeded to the Court of Appeal to challenge the decision of the FCT High Court, but the Court of Appeal affirmed the FCT High Court ruling in a unanimous judgment of its three-man panel led by Justice Eunice Onyenemenam on June 16, 2020. Displeased with the Court of Appeal's judgment, Oshomole further appealed to the Supreme Court and filed a motion for the stay of execution of the judgment before the Court of Appeal. But while his application was pending at the Court of Appeal, the neck of the party on June 25th dissolved the Oshomoles-led NWC party. Following his concession to the dissolution of the NWC, Oshomole, through his lawyer Ahmed Raji San, approached the Court of Appeal in Abuja on Tuesday and sought the withdrawal of the pending processes, seeking an order for stay of execution of the Court of Appeal judgment. Justice Muhammad Lamido, who delivered the unanimous ruling of the Court of Appeal, went on to dismiss the application. Thank you for listening to this news. What is Adams Oshomole applying for? What is he applying for? He doesn't get tired of applying. I don't know. I don't know what he wants to do with cases. See, Oshomole should allow the sleeping dog to lie. This is what he did. He did in the case of him and Obaseki. And I want to tell you this, frankly speaking, that Oshomole's dismissal from the seat as the national chairman of the APC has a lot to do with his fight with Obaseki. I'm telling you. So the party has looked into his profile and kind of personality. So they saw that Oshomole, yes, he may have that spirit of leadership, but not with that kind of quality that is pushing out. A good leader should be able to be tolerant. A good leader should be able to be welcoming and should be able to handle situations, especially in tough times. But Adams Oshomole doesn't have that. He has the boldness. But where is that spirit of equality, of unity? It doesn't have that. So that is why I see, and that's what I see in his dismissal from the seat from the seat as a national chairman. So he should just accept that with faith, because he single-handedly caused that for himself. He caused that for himself. Nobody caused it for him. So he should not be complaining or getting bored for what has happened to him. And in the angle of the NWC, yes, I concur to that, because normally it is not right for NWC to be the one to decide for the election, the primary election of a of a state. No, 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 no. They don't have that right to do that. It is the decision of the state to do that. It is the decision of the state. So Adams Oshomole actually introduced that to use it as a tool of wiping Obaseki out of the party. But now that Obaseki has played a very fast one by knowing that this is the idea Oshomole want to use in bringing him down, before Oshomole will know it, Obaseki changed his party. And now that Oshomole have seen that he doesn't have anyone to contend with, he decides to switch back to where he belongs. So what are we saying? Obaseki should maintain a low profile. Oshomole should allow the sleeping dog to lie. Oshomole should just let go whatever that must have happened between him, Obaseki, the NWC, and any party leader that must have offended him, and carry on. He still have the door of leadership is still very much open to him. There are more opportunity. You understand now? So Oshomole just should just maintain a low profile, keep his head high, and carry on. He should not feel intimidated. He should not feel intimidated. That is life for him. So let him be calm. Let him be understanding. You should know that the people of Edo State, yes, they still love him, but he should be calm in his decisions. You understand? Things are not done the way he feels should be done. He should accept his dismissal as a lesson to him, and start working things out to make sure that things start working back for him. You understand? So my viewers, I want to say at this juncture that with what has happened to Adams Oshomole, no one is behind it. No one has done anything concerning it. He single-handedly caused his dismissal. You understand? And that is what actually happened. Okay? So my viewers, let us call a spade and tell ourselves the truth. What is the fate of Oshomole in APC? Oshomole is gradually dropping, unknown to him, is gradually dropping and losing his value and position and importance in APC, but he doesn't know. And that was as a result of his arrogancy. You understand? So he should maintain a low profile and make sure he do things the way things are expected to be done. Oshomole must be calm. He must be calm. He must be calm, especially at this critical stage in APC, because APC is not smiling now. APC is at a very tight corner now. So now anyone in APC handling any important position should try their best and maintain that position with humility, with human respect. You understand? So that is life for you, my viewers. So Adams Oshomole should walk with his head high, and he should walk with humility, and that is what is expected of him. You understand what I'm saying? So my viewers, please, concerning this news, your comments are of great importance, and please try to be factual while leaving your comments behind. Remember to click on the red subscribe buttons as well as the bell buttons to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.